Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to share playlist on your Spotify account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Spotify account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Spotify app. Here I go. At the bottom, you can see different options. Go to the option Your Library, tap on that. Now you can choose any of the playlists you want to share. Here I will be choosing my playlist Happier. Now you have to tap on that three dots on the middle section, tap on that. Now you can see different options. Choose the option Share, tap on that. Here you can share this playlist to anyone on your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, anywhere, but it would be easier if you tap on that copy link option. Now you can send this link to anybody. In this way, you can share your playlist on Spotify. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.